Alright, Tool fam. So I'm up late, again, I guess. And I wanted to take a little break from working on stuff here in my home office just to show y'all. Yeah, a lot of us scored that free multi-tool. So I'm going to show y'all a lot of pictures, and it's not a bad multi-tool. See if I can open this single-handedly. It makes a bit of noise. It sounds like it's got a little grit there in the bearing. But I mean, come on fam, it's a free tool. Came with a little carrying case and everything. Not bad. And just for comparison's sake, here is my Cobalt that I scored on clearance a few years back. Very similar multi-tool. Very similar grips. A little harder to open one-handed, but it is doable. And yeah, I even got one of these little heart multi-tools. And you know, when it comes to multi-tools, most of these are pretty similar, name brand or not. They come with a different selection and assortment of knives or tweezers or scissors, or I've seen some with toothpicks, kind of Swiss Army knife style. So nothing way out there. Cut things, you need to loosen an electrical plate. These things are pretty invaluable. And as far as weight and feel goes, there's not a big difference besides the sound that the bearing makes. It's a pretty similar feel, maybe a little more metally than the Cobalt. Cobalt has some nice rubber grips there. But yeah, this will definitely find its place in my electrical bag. So that's it for now, fam. Have at it. Good luck.